July 2025 is bringing a wave of fresh K-dramas you won't want to miss, from intense legal battles and thrilling revenge plots to heart-fluttering romances and mind-bending mysteries. Get ready for the ultimate drama lineup that'll keep 10. Omniscient Reader, The Prophecy. This highly anticipated movie, featuring a star-studded cast, will premiere in South Korean cinemas on July 23. International audiences will have to wait a little longer until the movie hits a platform for global distribution, which is expected to happen in the coming months. Based on the blockbuster web novel and webtoon, this movie tells the story of a man whose favorite apocalyptic webtoon becomes reality. Armed with knowledge of every plot twist, he becomes humanity's last hope in a world on the brink. Starring a powerhouse cast, Omniscient Reader is set to redefine the fantasy action genre for global audiences. 9. Law and the City. Step into the world of high-stakes legal battles set in the bustling heart of Seoul. Law and the City follows 5 ambitious junior lawyers at a top law firm, navigating ruthless corporate politics, impossible deadlines, and the emotional toll of always being on. At the core of this intense legal drama is a cold, logic-driven senior attorney who prides himself on precision and control until a rookie lawyer bursts into his life, full of idealism and compassion. Their clashing ideologies evolve into undeniable chemistry, challenging everything he once believed. It's not just about courtroom drama, it's about personal growth, internal conflict, and discovering what it truly means to seek justice and perhaps, love. 8. Bitch X Rich, Season 2. The elite halls of Korea's most prestigious school are once again under the spotlight, but this time, the drama runs deeper. Our once ordinary student is no longer a spectator. After witnessing a gruesome murder, she returns as a central suspect. With her reputation hanging by a thread and secrets swirling around every corridor, she must ally with the last person she ever wanted to the one she fears most. Expect fierce rivalries, psychological warfare, and a web of lies thicker than ever before. This new season introduces complex characters and sharper twists, perfect for fans of high society thrillers with a dark edge. 7. Low Life. In the murky waters surrounding Sana Island in 1977, a sunken ship hiding vast treasure sparks a brutal race filled with greed, betrayal, and desperation. Low Life centers around an uncle and nephew duo involved in organized crime. When offered a job to recover the lost treasure, they see a chance at unimaginable wealth. But as word spreads, others join the deadly hunt, each more ruthless than the last. With gritty 70s visuals, intense storytelling, and moral dilemmas at every turn, this period thriller will pull you into a world where survival is earned and trust is a luxury no one can afford. The premiere is set for July 16, exclusively on Disney Plus channels. 6. The Good Man. The story follows a man whose family carries a legacy of crime. He is the eldest grandson. Born into 3 generations of gangsters, one man dares to break free from his inherited destiny. With a hidden soft side and a romantic heart, he longs to become a writer and live a quiet life far from crime. But his past isn't ready to let him go. As he pursues love and redemption, old enemies and buried secrets rise to the surface. The Good Man is a powerful blend of romance, crime, and soul-searching. It's a story about the courage to change, and the price of rewriting your own story. The premiere is set for July 18, with international distribution through Disney Plus channels. 5. The Defects. Based on a gripping webtoon, The Defects introduces us to a group of orphans abandoned by their adoptive families and left to fend for themselves. Led by a fierce and emotionally grounded girl, they fight against an illegal adoption ring run by a cruel doctor with ties to a powerful black market. Fueled by trauma and survival instincts, these kids seek not only justice, but vengeance. With gritty realism, deep emotional storytelling, and a powerful female lead, this revenge drama is a chilling critique of exploitation and a celebration of resilience. A story of resistance, where the weight of the past and the thirst for justice unite in search of a single goal, retaliation. The premiere is set for July 21, with no confirmed platform yet. 4. Try, we become miracles. This heartfelt underdog story brings the world of rugby to K-dramas for the very first time. A disgraced former athlete, accused of doping, returns to his old high school to coach the school's worst rugby team. But turning losers into champions is just one challenge, the bigger one. Coaching side by side with his ex-girlfriend, who still has unresolved feelings and unfinished business with him. It's a story about second chances, both on and off the field, full of comedy, emotional growth, and unforgettable moments of victory. For anyone who loves sports dramas with a real heart, this one will hit hard. The premiere is set for July 25th, with no platform confirmed yet. 3. S-Line. What if every intimate encounter you've ever had was visible to everyone as a literal glowing red line above your head? In S-Line, that's exactly what happens. A strange supernatural phenomenon connects lovers in public view, exposing secret affairs, broken promises, and hidden passions. A cynical detective teams up with a mysterious woman who's seen these red lines her entire life. Together, they search for the source of the phenomenon, and what they discover could change the way people love forever. Mystery, romance, and emotional exploration collide in this one-of-a-kind supernatural drama. The premiere will take place on July 8, exclusively on Netflix. 2. Reality show, Better Late Than Single. No dating experience. No problem. Better Late Than Single features real-life singles who've never been in a relationship before, taking their first steps into romance. Expect awkward confessions, hilarious blunders, unexpected connections, and heartwarming breakthroughs. With fun-loving hosts guiding them through emotional transformations and personal growth, this is the feel-good reality show of the summer. Pure dopamine guaranteed. The premiere will take place on July 8, exclusively on Netflix. 1. Wall to Wall. In this chilling psychological thriller, a man's dream of homeownership quickly turns into a nightmare when a strange noise from upstairs begins tormenting him. With mounting debt and neighbors turning against him, paranoia sets in. But is he losing his grip on reality or uncovering something far more sinister within the building's walls? Wall to Wall is a slow-burn suspense film that will leave you questioning everything, especially what lies just above your head. The premiere is set for July 18th, exclusively on Netflix. So there you have it, the most exciting K-drama premieres coming your way this July 2025. Which one are you adding to your watch list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love discovering the latest in K-dramas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of the drama. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy binging.